Let's review our order of operations. Remember, circle the cousins. The cousins get solved from left to right. And if you remember what our PEMDAS stands for, P is the parentheses, E is the exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. So our cousins are here. Multiplication and division are solved left to right. Addition and subtraction are solved left to right. Okay, let's go on to do our exponents. 2 to the 6. How do I write this in expanded form? I would write 2 times 2 6 times. This is called expanded form here. Now to solve it, all right, now I'm going to go ahead and solve it. And I'm running out of space there. So let me move up here. 4 times 4 times 4 is what we're left with. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4, you should have gotten 64. Okay, you go ahead and write 9 times 3 in expanded form. 9 times 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. And then you need to do 81 times 9. You should have gotten 729. How do we write the following with a base and exponent? So here is my base, 2.4, and I'm multiplying it 1, 2, 3 times. So here's my exponent. Okay, you write this next one with a base and exponent. Remember, it's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 1 to the first. Those two you didn't have to go ahead and solve. You just had to write them with a base and exponent. Let's go ahead and multiply or divide. Remember, the second guy is late to class, so put him outside your house. And then I'm going to do 6 into 41, goes in 6 times. I'm going to subtract. I get 5. If my decimal's here, I'm going to put it up top, bring that 1 down. 6 goes into 51 8 times. I'm going to subtract, bring that 6 down. 6 goes into 36 6 times. Once I get 0, I know my answer is done. Here would be my answer. Okay, now when I'm multiplying my decimals, I'm going to just go ahead and ignore the decimal. Line it up here. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1, 1 times 1. Remember, my second row, I start with a 0. 8 times 6 is 48. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 8 plus 1 would give me 9. Now I need to add my 2 rows up here. Now, where does the decimal go? Put your answer in to show me where the decimal goes. Remember, it would go 1, 2, 3 spaces. So move that decimal, start at the end, 1, 2, 3 spaces. So my answer would be 9.396. Okay, let's use our order of operations now. Remember our PEMDAS. Write that on your paper as you're going. You want to follow your parentheses first. So I'm going to do 2.4 plus 3.5. And I'm going to draw this little cone so I could do my math work outside of my cone so I don't get it confused. When I add these up here, I get 5.9. So I'm going to do 5.9 times 2. Tell me what you get when you do 5.9 times 2. You should have gotten 11.8. Once you put your answer in there, 11.8. Okay, let's go on and try the second one here. So again, I'm going to draw my cone. I'm going to write down my PEMDAS. And I don't have parentheses, so now I'm going to do my exponent. 5 to the second. What is 5 to the second? 5 to the second is 25. And I'm also going to do my second one there. 12 to the second is 12 times 12. That's a big one. 144. So now I'm going to rewrite it. 25 times 10 minus 144. Now I need to do my multiplication. This would give me 250. 250 minus 144. What did you get for your final answer here? You should have subtracted and got 106 for your final answer. Let's come down and do number 3. So remember, first, let's follow our PEMDAS. I'm first going to solve what's inside my parentheses. Don't forget, when you add, line up those decimals. So I get 5.32. And now tell me what you get when you multiply 5.32 times 3. What does this give you? You should have gotten 15.96 for your final answer there. Let's go on and check the next one. Draw my bracket. Okay, so I'm going to follow my PEMDAS. Now I have a lot of exponents on this one. 1 to the 8th power is still 1, and 10 to the 2nd is 100. And 7 to the 2nd is 49. 2 to the 3rd power, make sure you wrote it out. This should give you 8. Once I have my row done, now I need to multiply. And notice I'm going to rewrite it each time. Now I'm going to solve here. 100 minus 49 gives me 51. And tell me what you get for your final answer. You should have gotten 59. Okay, let's look at our last question. Mr. Birchnell thinks the answer to the question is 8.5. Ms. Hoppy thinks the answer is 21. Who is correct? Put in what you think. Now let's check it. 2 to the 2nd is 4. Here, so I'm going to rewrite it now. And next I'm going to solve that parentheses, and notice each time I'm rewriting it, my next step here would be to divide. And our final answer should be 21. Who do you think is going to win the Heisman Trophy Award? Kyle Trask for the Florida Gators. The Florida Gators quarterback should win. Say, go Gators. Okay, now go ahead and start your math space. Get ready for our test tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.